Listen up. The best AI Keno numbers are at the end of the video. The last 10 spot will make you a Keno winner. Yes, but first, let's quickly get started with 10 spot number 1. Okay, 10 spot number 1. Good start. A total of 190 credits. Not bad. Also, a lot of Keno players play consecutive Keno numbers. So, 10 spot consecutive patterns do work. Yes, let's go on to our next 10 spot. Yes, 10 spot number 2 is upper left. We play a lot on the upper left of Keno card. Comment below if you do too. Come on, let's see how this 10 spot turns out for us. A 4 of 10 got us into the bonus. A solid 290 credits. Like and subscribe for more free Keno 10 spots. Comment below if you're an upper lefty as well. Come on, let's see the next Winnin 10 spot. Ready to win at Keno? Here is 10 spot number 3. It's a winner. Subscribe for more free AI Keno numbers and strategies. Check it out. We saved the best for last. Boom! I told you, the Winnin 10 spot number 3 is a winner. Remember, at AI Keno Plus, all Keno numbers are free. Take this 10 spot and beat the casino. Subscribe for more live Keno play. Hey beginners! Yes, beginners, watch another video. These 2 videos will have more free Keno numbers, free AI strategies, and current AI Keno tips and tricks. Thank you, and good luck!